Couldn't do that again if I tried. Let's try that again, shall we? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's John. You know me as Turning Wrenches 85 here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a good week so far. Took a little break off the mowers. I got to do a repair on my car. One day, my parents were using my car, and my mom went to get out of the passenger side door, and the handle gave up the ghost. It was weak already because originally I got this handle from the junkyard. I think it was LKQ or Pull Apart. And the guy had spilled oil on there. And crazy me, I went and sprayed carburetor cleaner on there. And you know, carburetor and plastic do not mix well together. And this weakened over time, and I think that's the reason why this thing broke like it did. The handle broke like it did. So, it's been raining here the last couple of days here in Tennessee, and I'm not able to go to the junkyard to go get one because it's raining. So I went on Amazon, started looking to see if I can find one, and I found a 2-pack of them because the passenger side and the driver's side are on the same sides anyway. The passenger side will have the same side as, you know, the front and the back on either side. So I found 2 of them for $10.98, and I had a gift card balance on there, extra $3 and some change, so I got it for like $8. So I got 2 of them here. I only need the one for the passenger side right now. So that would be, this is the driver's side. This is the passenger side one right here. Here it is right here. I'll put the link below where I got it at on Amazon, just in case you need one for your 01 Toyota Camry. I think they go from 97 to 2001 on the Toyota Camry there. So this is what I'll be replacing on this door today here. So I think I got the tools I need to do this. You need basic tools, I think. I think there's some Phillips head screws in here you got to pop out. Up here where the handle is, right here, there's some clips you pull off here, and there's some screws here as well. And I'll just take a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and pop it out. So I know I have the tool to take the trim off, but just in case somebody doesn't have the trim, you should be able to use a flathead screwdriver as well to pop the tabs out. So let's start turning some wrenches. Let's get this door cover off and replace that handle. Alright, before we start, I'll show you where the screws are, just in case anybody has a hard time looking for them. Let me pull you off the stand real quick. Get my light here. You're going to have one. You're going to have one right there. There's a screw. There's supposed to be one right there, and there's not one. So I don't know if it's missing. Like I said, you pull this tab off, there's a screw there. I think there's another screw right there where this tab is, right here as well. And the rest of it, like I said, there's a screw right here. You pull this tab off as well. And then there's a little pin that's right there. You pull out as well. So that's what we got to do. Let's pull this thing off of here. Back here on the perch real quick. Alright. Go ahead and get the one screw out of there. Should be a Phillips. Put it right there, you guys can see me. Oh, you want to turn the light off in your cabin there. There's a switch on my car where you can take the light and turn it off as well. I got me one of these little picks. You can get these at Harbor Freight. That's where I got this one at. So pull that tab out. Ow! Ow! Just don't hurt yourself like I just did. Mine came back and just bit me. Oh. Okay. I should be able to take my flathead screwdriver there and pull that out of there. It's just a cover to hold the other screw. Mine's going to be stubborn though. Not expecting everything to be perfect. This car is 20 years old. It'll come off of there. It's just being stubborn today. I just went underneath the car. I'll get it. There should be another Phillips screw in here as well. I'm having a hard time locating it. No, there's a Phillips screw in here. It's just a matter of... There it is. Fortunately, there's nothing really metal on my car except for right there. Alright, so let's get this off of there. I think I should have this. There's a screw right here. Let's get off as well. I picked the wrong day to do this, but it's got to be done. Now this is probably not working because it's cold out here. There we go. You got your Phillips screw right here you take out as well. Let's see. Should have one more to take off right here. Let's see if I think I just broke that plastic. Oh, I'll get another one of those. Next time I go to, okay. Okay. Not. Yeah, okay, I just broke it. Alright, I'll get one of those at the junkyard next time I go there. It's a screw here with a washer on it. It's supposed to hold that, and I broke it. Okay, last should be that little tab right there, and I think it pushes in. This pushes in, that pops out, and then this stays intact right here. Okay? Now, bring you guys back a little bit. There. In theory, that light's not going to stay. Nope. No, that magnet's not that strong. In theory, oh yeah, you gotta take the this thing off here as well. Now pull this switch out of your way as well. It should be just clipped there, and I think I have two tabs to pull on as well. Mine. You use your flat blade screwdriver on this one as well. This one should unplug. Or is it clipped on? No, it's clipped on as well. Okay, so there's a clip here. There's a clip right there. You have to pull off as well. Just push down on it with your screwdriver. There we go. Got that off of there. Now, I don't think there's anything else I gotta take off. Let me make sure. I think there's another screw. Let me see. No, but this helps to get that off of there anyway. Little tweeter right there. This car has. Alright, let's see. See if I can get in here with my flat screwdriver. And this knocks some of the... That wind's getting up today. Oh, wait a minute. Did I miss a screw? I think I forgot to mention that one. Let me see. Oh, my mistake. There's two screws here. Hang on. Hang on. Hold on. There's two screws that's supposed to be taken out from the bottom as well. So you got your screw right there. The Phillips, or I think you can use a nut driver as well, but you can use a Phillips. There's one right there as well, and right there. So we got to take those off. See, I got ahead of myself. I'm here sitting here trying it, and I'm going to break this thing off of there. Alright, let me get these screws off here. We'll get to the part where we're going to take the door panel off. Alright, I got the screws off. Now this should, in theory, pop off of here. Like this, like that, and I think it slips over the window track up here. Oh, I need to get this off of here. I think so. Something else hooked up to this. There's one of the screws that came out as well. Let's see this handle. There's something, I can't remember. There was something here that was holding it. Somebody's going to tell me. I took it off before, but it's been a while since I did this. So I had to do something on the driver's side door of my car before. I think I'm not missing anything. I think I am. I mean, let's see. Well, that still makes sense. There we go. I think, oh, okay, yeah, this thing. You gotta pull these clips off of here. This holds this. It's like two little tabs right here. You have to take off. Right there. And that prizes up. That's what I forgot to do. There's little tabs right here on this thing you have to pry up on. You can tell I got this from the junkyard because they still got the blue paint on there from it as well. Alright. Now this door panel should now come off, which it does. I'll set it inside my car here. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Now you're gonna have a screw here to take out as well. And it's raining. Go figure, it's been raining for the last 2 days here. I have a screw right here to take out as well. Now this should snap in there. That screw right there as well. Now mine's gonna be stubborn today. It wants to stick. Okay. Well, I mean, it's no good anyway, so if I break it, I'm not really worried about it in a way. But it's supposed to go forward. There we go. Yeah, it was. Oh, it's supposed to go this way. So you take it, you pull it out that forward, because there's a clip right here. Okay. Take this around. It's almost like a Z-bend for a carburetor. Take this, pull that tab off of there. This one should be like a Z-bend. There we go. That one's off of there as well. See, this, it was all brittle anyway. It was going to crack anyway eventually. So that's alright, we got the new one, so we're all good. There. Let me go get the other one here. This one's going to have a red button. I would compare the two, but I mean, it ain't going to matter comparing the two. I think we're going to be okay though, honestly. Alright, so that's actually two clips. You see these clips right here? It's going to feed into those right there. You're going to slide it back. So let's get the first one in here. The first one goes into the bottom. There. And this one here for the door lock. Well, let's put the door lock on there first. This one's a little newer, so it's going to be giving me a little bit of a fight here. The bottom one went in perfect. Well, in there somewhat perfect. Okay, now the top one I'm going to have fun with. Like I said, it's almost like a Z bend, you know, like the carburetors have. So for this one, let's see if I can get it. In my case, I'm going to have to take the screwdriver and, you know, kind of pump it a little bit. Did it go on there? Okay. What I gotta do on here, it's like a Z bend. You know, like on these like on a carburetor. You guys can't see it. Hang on, give me a light. Give me a light. Here, better example. That top lever right there, it's going to have like that crook right there. You're going to put that bend into that first and then snap back. This one's a little newer, so it's a little cumbersome to try to get on there real quick. And unfortunately, there's no better camera angle I can get you guys in to show you this. Because it wants to okay, let me get that on there real quick and I'll show you guys after I get through. Alright, I got it on, but unfortunately I had some fitment issues because the one from Amazon, the hole is a little bit smaller on the bottom. It works on top. The bottom one you have to fight with it to get it on there. But it's on there. It's just unfortunately the hole, that's the only thing bad about it. Other than that, I have no problem with it. And this should just slide in there like that. Put that screw back in here real quick. We're going to see the other screw. Zoom out a bit. This is the screw that's in this part here. Put it in here. I'm going to try it out. We're going to see if it works first before we put everything back together. I'm probably going to have to take that clip off of there. Alright. That's just, I'm going to go on this side of the car and hit the button. See what it does. Okay, so it's opening, shutting, unlock, 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 unlock. Okay, we're good there. Alright, let me shut the door. If I get locked out, call locksmith. Alright. There we go, it's working. It's working like it should. Alright, we're good. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to pop this clip off of here for this. Because I got to get this door on here. And I'm going to have to snap it back on. That's the only other problem. Other than that, you know. Then we're going to take that screw back out. I just wanted to make sure it worked before we put everything back together, okay? Alright, gang. Alright. Alright. Let me get my flathead screwdriver, pop this tab off here for this one. And this one, there's another tab on the bottom. So don't break it. There we go. I'll have to slide that back on there when I get through. That's the only other pain. Other than that, it's a nice install. Alright, let's get these all lined up. Back on here. They had different colors. You got either tan or gray. My interior is gray on my car, on my Camry. So I went with the gray, and it looks like so far it's going to match. I'm going to get these plugs up in here for the window switches. Okay. Now, put the screws back in. Like I said, I have to go back to the junkyard, and when it's not raining, and I'll get that one clip. Now this should just slide back over this and snap on there, which it does. Awesome. Put that screw back in there as well. Cover that up. Never even happened. Got another screw we got to throw in here real quick. As well. And then we just got to put the screws in the bottom there. And the reverse procedure, you know, just putting everything back together again. So, put this back together real quick and I'll show you guys the final result. Alright, it's all back together again. I just got to put that one little clip that I lost. It went underneath the car. Other than that, you know, I'll put that back on there. And of course that little plastic piece broke. No big deal. I'm not worried about that. I'll get that when I can. But like I said, we got a functioning door now. Switches work. This works as well. See? Watch. I'll get in the car real quick. Door opens like it should. So we're good. I mean, the only issue I had, I didn't like, is you had to sit there and had to whittle that hole a little bit to try to get that in there for this latch, for the lock and unlock. Other than that, I had no problem with the switch. Like I said, I'll put the link below on Amazon there if anybody needs that for their Toyota Camry 97 to 2001. So, if you guys found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are new, think about subscribing. Follow me on Instagram as well. And keep on turning those wrenches, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care.